In this video, we will show you how to unbox and operate your Greenworks buffer. We have featured a 24-volt buffer. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your buffer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the buffer out of the box and set it down. Inside the box, you will find an applicator bonnet and buffing bonnet. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. These items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Attaching the bonnet. Let's start by attaching the bonnet. Slip the edge of the application bonnet onto the foam pad and make sure it's fitted securely all the way around. Check that the bonnet is centered on the pad. This helps the buffer run smoothly and evenly when polishing. Step 4. Installing and removing the battery. You can now align the battery with the grooves in the battery compartment. Then push it in firmly until you hear a click. That sound confirms the battery is locked in place and ready for use. When you're finished or need to recharge, press and hold the battery release button and slide the battery out of the machine. Operation. Apply the buffing compound and place the buffer directly on the surface you'll be working on. This helps prevent splatter or uneven starts. Once the buffer is in position, slide the on-off switch to the on position to start the machine. When you're done, or need to take a break, slide the on-off switch back to the off position while the machine is still resting on the surface. Wait until the motor comes to a complete stop before lifting it away. Make sure to apply your wax evenly to the application bonnet. Always use both hands while operating to maintain full control and even pressure. If you're moving from waxing to polishing, remove the application bonnet and attach the polishing bonnet before continuing. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.